everyone. Today is the last day of Devtoberfest 2023. Welcome to the Fun Friday Trivia game. This is the first session of the Fun Friday Trivia. There will be another session which will be more convenient to US and EMEA time zone. So we're waiting for participants to join in. Let's give some time. Myself, I'm Shilpa Shankar, developer advocate at SAP. Then we have.
Yeah, hello everybody. Myself Rekha Diyar. I'm also a developer advocate. Myself and Shilpa will be hosting this quiz show along with our colleague DJ.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi DJ, how are you? How is that?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm very well indeed. I've just got off hosting a brilliant front-end Friday session earlier this morning. Branding for your SAP applications. We got front-end Friday today, the last Friday of the last week of Devtoberfest. Got some great sessions. While we're doing the quiz, I'll share the calendar link so folks can find out what sessions are coming up after this, the rest of the day. Yeah, but I'm just gonna be here and interrupt things and cause trouble, which I'm very good at. So yeah, so looking forward to this.
Nice. So today we have 30 questions related to SAP, related to developer advocates, Devtoberfest, and some technical questions. So we have tried to keep it fun with a little bit of technical and some fun questions as well. One winner will be getting 500 points. The winner of this quiz will get 500 points. The quiz will be on Mentimeter. And will put the link to the Mentimeter quiz will also be put in the chat. So when you log into when you click on the link and when you want to join the quiz, in order to know that who is a winner, we need to know your community ID. So when you're entering the name, please give the same community ID which you use to check your the points in the game board. So it will be easy for us to know who is the winner, to map it to the community ID, and then we can award points to you. So it is in the live chat now, the link to the Mentimeter. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes more. So Rekha is just checking how many are in. We currently have 11 people. All right. So how many are there, Rekha?
There are 12 participants.
Okay. Can everyone just give a thumbs up in the chat if you can access the link? So you should be seeing the same screen that I'm sharing here. If you can see me and Rekha and in the image, just give us some thumbs up in the chat so that we know like you're all using the same link and we are ready to go. Yeah, so we got the first thumbs up from DJ.
So participants, could you please give a thumbs up and confirm that you are able to access the Mentimeter link, what we have shared with you, please?
Yes, we are getting it.
Yeah, we are getting thumbs up from Harshita Verma, Frederick Wood, Dharani Veluswamy. Thank you. Sundar, Suryanarayana Murthy, Victor Hernandez. Yeah. Good.
Okay, then
We'll wait for a couple of minutes more. There are more people are joining in. Right now we have 18 participants. So we'll 19. So the participant numbers are going up. So we'll wait a couple of more minutes. Yeah.
Hey, Shilpa and Rekha, I can see you both on Shilpa's camera, so it'd be great if you sat together, just like you just were just then, so everybody can see both of you all at the same time, because Zoom only shows one video,
Right.
one person video when we're doing screen sharing. So yeah, that's much better.
it's good,
Okay.
DJ.
Thank you, DJ. Yeah, I think we are good to start the quiz. So I'm very excited. How about you participants? If you have any thoughts to share, you could share in the chat on YouTube.
So Harshita is asking, I hope this is as easy as the poker game. Probably, let's see.
Yeah.
You were good in the poker game. So definitely we'll have some fun.
Yeah.
So shall we start, Rekha?
Yes, sure.
Okay, welcome to the trivia quiz. And here's the first question. Oh, so please enter your name, which should be the community ID. And we'll start the quiz in 10 seconds.
Yeah, we have 15 players ready to take part in the quiz.
Hi, Srini.
Hi, Srinivasan.
So Srini is a developer advocate. He is doing a code jam and he has taken some break from the code jam and came to see the trivia as well. Okay, so with that, let's enter the quiz.
So I have one important announcement. Please try to answer it as quickly as possible because also your point depends on how fast you answer.
The fastest gets more points. So you have 15 seconds. And the first question is our own SAP and what does it actually stand in English? Wow.
Wow, 6 answered correct. Cool.
So let's go to the next question. And the next question, here comes the next question. I think this should be pretty easy.
Am I allowed to play, by the way? I recognize some of these questions, so maybe I'll stop playing. I'll still look at the questions, but,
Wow, and everyone got the right answer. Wow,
Nice.
thank you. And let's move on. We have 18 players. We started with 15. Now we have got 18 players now. Let's see what we have. I think the first two, second one was very easy. And a slightly, not a technical questions, but something about acquisitions. And this is about the no-code development platform.
yeah, they should wake you all up.
Yep.
Come on, get your thinking caps on, as my school teacher used to say.
Yeah, that's cool. Like 10 answers we got.
Yeah,
Correct
right?
answers.
Yeah, the majority have given the correct right answers. I think they're waking up, DJ. Good. Okay, let's move on. We have 18 players. Wow, some nice emojis. So what do we get? Wow, our own SAP S/4HANA product. So what does 4 stands for? We hear a lot about SAP S/4HANA, and have you ever wondered what exactly is this for? Yes.
Oh, that's cool. 9 people answered it correctly. It's 4th generation sequence. 4 stands for 4th generation sequence. You got it right. Cool.
That reminds me of how old I am, because I started with SAP R2, second
R2?
generation.
Oh, wow.
Okay. And after the question, okay, let's see question 5, and then we'll see how everyone stands on the leaderboard. So SAP gives many awards and many different events. So that should be something. What is there for the top performing partners?
Yeah, award for the partners, which is the award given to the partners with the, yeah, that's correct. SAP Pinnacle Awards. You got it right. 5 participants have answered correctly.
Yeah,
For this
not bad,
question.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And so let's see how the leaderboard is
Yeah, who is leading?
and who's the fastest. Okay.
Siam, sorry if you have pronounced it incorrectly. Siam
Shyam.
is leading the board, and Zairinger is the fastest. He's answering the questions really fast with respect to time. Yeah, and all the other players, we will really cheer up you to perform faster and better next time from next questions.
I recognize the Agesilaus user. That is a user that has done previous quizzes as well, I think, and also participated in many community events. So welcome, Agesilaus.
Oh.
Oh, wow,
Nice.
that's nice. Glad to know, like, glad to hear that you are liking the events and coming back to us for more such sessions and fun activities.
Okay, then let's move forward. Let's see what we got as a 6th question. And how many players we have? We have
17 players.
Oh, did one drop out? Good. Let's see. And yeah, I think this one, everyone will get it. And it will be the fastest as well, I guess. This is pretty popular one.
The answer's actually in the question itself, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah, if you go watch it closely. Yeah, 7 participants got it correct. It's SAP TechEd.
We have tech in the technical education and training. So technical education, that's the TechEd.
Yes.
So SAP conference, technical education.
Yeah, you got it
Yeah.
right, DJ.
We wanted to keep it a little easy one. So that's a nice catchy, DJ.
By the way, the reason I remember Agesilaus' name is because, of course, he was a very famous king of Sparta in I think the 4th or the 3rd century BC.
Oh,
I remember.
wow, you have a very
reading about
good history knowledge. You're very much interested in world history, I believe. DJ, nice. Good to know. We learned something new.
Okay, let's see the next question. Well, so what's the program from SAP for the net new customers to move to SAP S/4HANA Cloud? So there are so many blog posts, there are so many talks about these events.
Oh,
wow.
cool. 11 participants answered it correctly. It's Grow with SAP. The program name is Grow with SAP to onboard mid-size customers onto the S/4HANA Cloud. Great.
Let's move it. Okay, some again about SAP product. What is the suite of HR solutions called? And what are the results? I think that's also good, right? And the interesting thing is like we are getting the maximum right answers for all the questions.
Yeah.
So which shows how much the community, you guys, thank you to all of you, how much you know about SAP, how much you are you're engaged with us. Let's move on further. We have 16 players now. And so that's in the context of SAP system landscape, what is D, Q, and P system stands for. So in a day-to-day basis, all SAP developers would be only working on these things, right? And that's why no wonder no one got any wrong answers. It's all the right answers.
Right.
Good work, everybody.
Yep. Okay, so time for the 10th question, which means we are 1/3, 30%, yeah, 1/3 of the quiz. Okay, some other question.
So in the context of ABAP, what ADT stands for?
Every time we use the synonyms, right? And
Oh, everybody knows about ADT, ABAP development tools. Looks like most of the participants are from ABAP background.
Let us know in the chat if you're an ABAP developer.
Yeah.
Quite cool.
Do let us know, like which technology of SAP you work on day-to-day basis.
and
Yeah, so here is the leadership board, leaderboard, and we'll see who is leading.
wow, we can see a new one on the top.
Sandeep Agarwal. Sandeep Agarwala, and
Wow.
Harshita Verma is the fastest.
Harshita, you have got fastest in the last 5 questions. Yes, way to go. Good work.
Cool.
I think
And
Ashok,
Dharani is on the 3rd place. So yeah.
Yeah, maybe Ashok, Surya, Silas, Mahar, you can still catch up.
Yeah,
Still
we have 20 more questions. So hurry up and be fast with your fingers answering. You get more points for answering in the shortest time span. Yeah. So here comes the next question.
So DJ, anything you want to tell about? Any comments for you? Anything about SAP HANA database?
Well, I've got my friend, our friend Vitaly in the background here, so I'm going to ask him for some hints on this.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, most of the people got it right. It's an in-memory database. HANA belongs to in-memory database category.
So Vitaly works on SAP HANA data analytics. Right. So let's go to let's see what we have in the next questions.
We're having a conversation in the chat as well about different options for ADT and everything. And Jens Teringer said that SE80 was missing as an option. So I don't know how many people still use SE80, SE38, but I remember TM38 from SAP R2.
I have never used TM38.
Yeah, me too.
But before there were even any transactions to write ABAP, we used to write it actually in job control language in input cards. So this is just after the time when punched cards were being used. So on a punched card, you would write ABAP, and it was just a report writing language.
Yeah, this is really good to revisit the history of SAP and how long way it has come, and we just celebrated 50 years.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's really amazing. SAP has come a long way and a long way to go ahead. with all the new technologies.
That was interesting. I never knew anything that in R2 it was a different transaction. RPA. So as I was telling, Srini came back from the code jam, right? So we were having the code jam on RPA
Yeah,
today, like not on RPA, but basically RPA was covered.
yeah, many knows about RPA, robotic process automation. Good.
Okay, then any comments in the chat? We can
Yeah,
read some
like-
comments as well. Yeah.
Participants have notified us about the technologies they work on, like Dharani work with the ABAP, Sandeep Agarwala, Harshita Verma works with UI5, Vitali, our developer advocate, has commented data and analytics. Burak has commented with cloud integration. Yeah.
Yep, cloud platform integration, cool.
Okay, something about the open source and okay, how many, Rekha, did we go to 15th? Okay, we are in 15th question.
15th question. We are halfway through.
We are halfway through, and let's see after this question, where is here?
Wow, so Sandeep has put a list of technologies for you, UI5, IRPA, CAP, etc.
Etc.
Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, correct. It's the BAS Business Application Studio. That's the IDE streamlined in BTP for application development. Good going, participants. So here is the leaderboard. Let's see who is leading. So, oh, yeah, the same, Sandeep Agarwala is leading after 15 questions. And also Siam is the fastest in answering. So I would Ashok, you're doing really good. Now you're moving up the ladder. So that's really nice. And we really cheer and encourage all the participants to read the questions and answer them as quickly as possible so you can earn more points and move up.
Definitely.
I think
so while we're waiting for the next question, here's a fun fact about the Business Application Studio. It used to be based upon Eclipse Theia, because of course Eclipse is the IDE platform that we use with ADT for ABAP, but Eclipse Theia was a web-based, or is still a web-based IDE. But now Business Application Studio, as of maybe 6 months ago, maybe longer, I can't remember, is based upon the open source version of VS Code, Code OSS. That's why it feels and looks so similar.
Okay, nice. Thanks, DJ, for that explanation. It's interesting. Okay, now let's move ahead, and we are 50% through. I think the stuff, the first 4 is the tough computation.
Yeah, they are very
Shah,
each other.
Harshita, Zeringer. Now we'll see what is the 16th one. So Sandeep is telling he works on build apps, OSS. Wow. And so again, another ABAP question related to code scanning tool to have a cleaner code. I think this was slightly confusing.
Yeah. Yeah, it is mainly for security, to fix the security vulnerability. It is correct. SAP Code Vulnerability Analyzer.
All right. Let's move. And what do we have now? Okay, something on the front end, something related to JavaScript.
This is a tough one, I believe. Who
Yeah.
are
I must admit,
Maybe.
Rekha, when you put this question, I couldn't get this answer.
yeah.
It was I couldn't get the right answer.
Only one person got it correct.
This was a tough one.
It is Lugi. Yeah, the micro front-end JavaScript library that was developed by very own SAP is the Lugi. Yeah, it's not.
Yes, the
SAP
key
Wi-Fi.
word there in the question was micro front end.
Yeah, it's micro front-end. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not just a front end, but a micro.
Yeah, SAP UI5 is a full-blown framework, but this is a Lugi is a library. Small library, yes.
Well, that's why I gave the hint also that I didn't get the right answer for that. Okay. And yeah, I think this was last month or something. It was very much we saw in so many blog posts about the new SAP Fiori theme, which went GA. It just
I
happened.
do like this new theme. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, good. So it was a Horizon theme,
Yeah.
which went GA after there were after 1 year or so. There were a lot of design thinking done for this Horizon theme, and yeah, now it is GA.
Yeah, 6 participants got it right. You meaning you are very much curious about SAP technologies and up to date. Yeah, that's good.
So in the Horizon theme, you have something like the sunset thing, just like how we had a dark blaze and all. So it's something that you can check it out.
Oh.
Here's another fun fact talking about UI5 and themes and things. So the SAP.m library with the main library of controls. The M in SAP.m, it stands for main, but it didn't used to. It used to stand for mobile because there was a main library for desktop-based apps back in 2013, 2014, and the SAP.m came along as the mobile centric. But now, of course, we call it the main library because, you know, the mobile with the adjustable controls is now the new thing.
Yeah, mobile first. Since at
Okay.
SAP we follow the mobile first, cloud first approach. Yeah, it is now M stands for main.
I think this one, day to day, we hear about ADC check, ADC check.
ATC
So,
errors.
Yeah. ADC error, ADC check. So
What
when,
ATC stands for.
oh,
Nice. And if you don't know this, you're not doing enough tests.
Yeah.
So in our development teams, it is like any ATC errors on Friday, we cannot just go home. We have to get the ATC errors fixed, and only then we can leave home.
Yeah, at SAP we are very strict with ATCs. Yeah.
Okay, so we are more than halfway through. We are around how much?
10 more questions
10
to
more
go.
questions to go. That's it. And what do we have for the 20th question? It's a 3-system landscape. So for customers and partners, one of the key things is extension. So every time we hear use cases on extensions, right? So in S/4HANA, we have in the 3-system landscape. So where can you do the extensions?
Correct. It's on the development system. It is called the embedded steampunk. It has a special name. Okay, it's a development landscape. Yeah, correct.
And time for the leaderboard. So I think the first 4 places is the same. Sandeep is still leading, Shyam being the fastest, Harshita is catching up.
Yeah.
sharing
Harshita.
it.
Yeah, come on, you can do it. Like how many points? It's roughly 300 points. You can come to the upper position. Like, yeah, you can do it. Well, come on. And yeah, very nice. You're all doing great, guys. Come on, 10 more questions. It is not the end of the game yet. You can still answer quickly, correctly in order to move up.
Yeah, Sandeep is also telling some fun fact, I guess. He had a client who went live with test server. Oh my
This
God.
is really funny.
Yeah. This is like, how did I screw it up? And that kind of a segment.
Yeah.
How did I miss that?
Mhm.
Wow. So we got 8 people answered right. What does fiore literally means? Flower. It is
Yes.
basically from the Italian. I think when Fiori was introduced, no, way back in 2012, that was when Fiori introduced. The Fiori Launchpad actually had the flower. So in the Fiori,
Petals,
with the petals, so the 4 petals, that is how the Fiori Launchpad was. But now we don't find that. There's a lot of changes happened.
Now it
there.
has got serious.
So it's from the Italian name and it's flower.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's go to question number 22.
Yeah.
Vitaly is also telling about some fun fact about the systems. Test is used for production runs. Well, I think this everyone might be very much aware. I know when this was also it just everyone attempted in just 5 seconds.
Yes, the fastest answer what we got from participants in short amount of time. S-Note, correct.
Note.
So maybe related to Node, another factors like SAP S/4HANA Cloud, there is no concept of applying a node, right? So for the customers and partners, you need not have to go through the pain of applying a node, and that is why we have the cloud solution where we provide you the fixes as fast as we can. And let's move further. And we'll see what is, so what is it that brings the application development, data and analytics, integration, and AI in one platform? So what is the platform which we are referring to in the context of SAP?
That was a big clue, Shilpa.
Yeah, correct. It's SAP BTP, the Business Technology Platform.
Yeah, what is there in the comments? I think Vitaly has commented about right. So something about ABAP Cloud. Maybe I'll not talk and give any hints.
So when did SAP announce ABAP Cloud? It's SAP TechEd 2022.
All right. So only 5 more questions. Okay, only 6 more questions left. This is the 25th question. And we are nearing the quiz, the end of the quiz. So what's the programming model used in ABAP Cloud? I think many questions are related to ABAP.
Yeah.
It's the center of the universe, clearly.
Yes. And
RAP, correct. RESTful application programming is the programming model what we use in ABAP Cloud to develop the enterprise applications. Got it right. 9 people have got it right.
DJ, anything you want to say about RESTful?
Yeah, well, I don't know. You might be referring to the vessel in which I am
Yes.
sitting right now, actually.
Yes.
I live on a narrowboat, and the name of the narrowboat is Fully Restful. Obviously related to representational state transfer and so on. I do remember actually this question, or the answer, the correct answer to this question, has sort of triggered me a little bit. I remember very, very early on in the mid-2000s, I was championing REST, representational state transfer, as a style of web development, web backend development. At the time that SOAP and the so-called web services were really, really prominent. And I got disowned by the editors on the SAP community, saying basically DJ, well, they didn't say this, but effectively they were saying he doesn't know what he's talking about, SOAP is the future and everything. And they said, basically, DJ does not represent our views, which I thought was quite funny at the time, and still do. So yeah, where's SOAP now? Where is WS Death Star now? Nowhere.
Yeah, we have come along a long way forward with the RESTful application programming, like OData, V2, V4 and all.
OData is a beautiful example of a very nicely RESTful API or RESTful protocol, let's say.
Yeah.
So here is the leaderboard. Sandeep Agarwala is still leading with 18,898 points. Wow, that's amazing. And Sayam is very close to Sandeep Agarwala. It's 18,047. And Harshita Verma, she's at 17,678. These have a very close competition. So we have some more questions coming on. So we'll see what's next. 5 more questions.
5 more questions to go, and here we go. Okay, so since we are in the context of the Oktoberfest, let's see when it was started. Although I want to ask DJ about a question, but that will give a hint to the answer. So we'll see the answer and then I'll ask the question about, so maybe DJ, you can tell the concept why Oktoberfest came in.
Well, Oktoberfest came in basically because of TechEd. So TechEd is this fantastic event that happens every year. And what we the developer advocates wanted to do was to get people, get their brains in gear, get their juices flowing, get them interested in learning, or rekindle that sort of passion for learning about stuff, to get people ready for TechEd. So that was the original reason for the timing of Devtoberfest in the year. So, sort of September, October time, and of course, related to the famous Oktoberfest festival, beer festival, and so on in Bayern, in Munich.
Yeah.
So yeah, we wanted to get people learning, and learning is what we developers do best, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, Rekha recently moved from Munich to Bangalore, India. And when we were saying Devtoberfest, I think for a couple of times she was always referring to, oh, Oktoberfest, when are we doing Oktoberfest?
Yeah. Yeah, I still remember the hang of Oktoberfest. I used to visit Oktoberfest in Munich almost every year and have some Kinderpunsch, not the actual beer. So I really miss the vibe and the festive mood of Oktoberfest, but Devtoberfest is no less. We developer advocates had loads of fun preparing for the Devtoberfest, conducting the sessions, learning a lot of new technologies from SAP. It is no less than a festival for us at SAP.
Definitely. In fact, I'll share the Devtoberfest calendar for the rest of the day, because there's some sessions coming up. I'll put that in the chat just now.
Yeah.
And in a few minutes, I'm going to move across to another Zoom call. So I'm going to get the speaker ready for the next session after this, which is starting in 20 minutes. Create Angular applications like a boss.
Wow.
Mhm.
So Kima open source. If you would have followed our developer news on a regular basis, Josh, our developer advocate, who is commonly known as a Bluebeard guy, had told in one of the developer news.
That was a tough one. Only one correct answer we got for this question. Kima means wave in Greek language.
Okay. And
Maybe we should have had a follow-up question or a related question, which is
Mhm.
why did they choose a Greek word for Kima?
oh,
So we'll let you think about that. Put the answer in the chat if you know the answer.
Yeah.
yeah, that will be interesting. Maybe you can post that question in the answer in the chat.
Mhm.
Okay. Yes, DJ.
It's about you, DJ.
Wait a minute, I know this one. I know this one.
Yes, yes.
Please don't answer.
DJ will be the fastest.
Yeah. Because it's all about him.
So DJ, no one can get this wrong, right?
Yeah.
They better
Whoever
not get this wrong.
They know it.
Yes.
Yeah. It's 6 participants have got it right. It's terminal.
Mind you, for those 2 people who answered mainframe, that's also not incorrect. But the future is terminal, basically, yes. I should have been wearing my future is terminal t-shirt today, shouldn't I?
Yeah, many people follow you, DJ. That's we are glad to know that.
All right. Okay. Oh, I think we are again back to working capital management solutions. Again, about some acquisition question. I think there was some fun question, and we are back to a little bit of not a technical, but some business question.
Business question, correct.
Let's see.
Oh, seemed like a tough one or confusing one. It's Taulia was the company which was acquired in 2022 for working capital management solution.
Okay, and how many? So we are at the last question. So we are at the end of the quiz, and here we go. So since this quiz is part of, we are in the Developer Fest month, we are in the Developer Fest event. You guys should be knowing this because you check your game board every day. And we thought we should end the quiz with a Developer Fest question. So what's the highest level?
Oh, many got it right. It's Nirvana, correct. That is the 4th and the highest level of the Devtoberfest you reach if you get more points. Yeah.
Get that. The final leaderboard.
Yeah, we'll see the winners right in front of our eyes now. Okay.
Oh, it's
Sandeep Agarwala, he's the winner, and we will be awarding 500 points to Sandeep Agarwala for doing so great in this quiz competition. Yeah,
congratulations,
congratulations, Sandeep. I hope all the participants enjoyed this quiz, learned some new facts, and had fun in the quiz contest. Do let us know what you think about this quiz in the chats, or any feedback or any improvement we can do next time. Did you face any issues? Do let us know so that we can do much better next time. Okay, thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed. I think if you see the points table, right, Harshita has done very well, and only few points just behind, but yeah,
Yeah.
congratulations to all. Thank you all
Just
for your
few lessons,
participation.
only like
30.
20. Yeah,
Yeah, around 29, yeah, around 30.
yeah, it
34.
was very close, Harshita. You have done really well. Congratulations to you too.
Bye, folks. I've got to get the next speaker ready. I'll see you soon.
Thank you,
Okay,
DJ.
Thank you, DJ, for joining us. So we wish all the participants a great time ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. See you at the next events. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.